Welcome back to my Humble Food series part 6. I'm making Sudka today, which is a milk-based drink made in Punjabi households in winters to alleviate various flu symptoms like common cold, cough, body aches, etc. The ingredients in this drink not only boost immunity but also have antimicrobial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now after roasting the gram flour in ghee and simmering it with milk, dry ginger powder and white peppercorn powder, I add saffron and green cardamom powder for flavor, and I finish it off with lightly roasted and crushed nuts like pistachios, almonds and cashews. And did I tell you that this drink also tastes delicious?